Hello and welcome back to Asterfast. Today I'm gonna unbox the new iPad, the 6th generation that I have in front of me. It's the 32GB cellular model, so you can use the SIM card. On the side it said the iPad, the Apple logo, nothing more on the other sides, and on the back we got some information. It's got the 9.7-inch Retina display. That's very beautiful to look at. So let's begin an unbox to see what we can. Here is the iPad, the lighting connector and the two stereo speakers on the side. On the top a headphone jacket, the power button, and on this side volume up and down. You got the Touch ID, and on the back you got an 8-megapixel camera that's capable of recording 1080p. You got the A10 Fusion chip, so this is fast, and it's one that support for Apple Pencil, so that's really nice. So let's open this. Take it out. Let's see what we can find in the box. We got an USB to lightning cable, so you can charge it. We got some manuals and other stuff. Manuals, Apple sticker, how to use it, and things you never read anyway. And here is the power brick. That's all what's in the box. Let's put this back and look more at the star of the show, the iPad. It is very light in the hand and not so heavy, so you can hold it for a pretty long time. It's the space gray version, as you can see. Lots of fingerprints already. I will set this up, and maybe we can do a video later so you can see more about it.